All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Friday idioms. So bright young things. Bright as in like the sun. Bright. There we are. And young as in like young children, not very old. Young. Bright young things. How cool is that? So young, enthusiastic, excited, ready, and ready to go. Ready. Let's change that. Ready. And ambitious. They want to achieve a lot of things. Ambitious. They want to achieve a lot of things. Here we are. Ambitious and ready. Yeah. People. So children. So children that are smart and have a lot of potential. Yeah, they can do a lot of things. They can do a lot of things. Yeah. How cool is that? And bright is in smart. So, I have a classroom full of bright young things. A classroom full of bright young things. How cool is that? Yeah. I like teaching the bright young things new stuff. New cool ideas. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, we all start off as a bright young thing. How cool is that? Yeah. These are bright young things, aren't they? They're bright young things, aren't they? They amaze me sometimes. Yeah. They amaze me sometimes, yeah. How cool is that? She is a bright young thing, don't you think? She is a bright young thing, don't you think? Yeah. He is a bright young thing and knows a lot about the world. Yeah. He is, well, they are bright young things and understand a lot of complex stuff, things, aspects about life. How cool is that? They are all bright young things. They're all bright young things. Yeah. They're all bright young things. Yeah. They're smart, intelligent, young. Yeah, they know what they're doing. They are bright young things. They are bright young things and know what they are doing. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So often when we started life as a bright young thing, we have a lot of ideas and plans for the future. Some people work on those ideas and others don't. Yeah. It really depends. It really depends on things, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So can you use bright young thing in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.